Hello everybody.
Hello.
We're going up north to West Branch to hang out with some of our friends for the weekend. We're going to drink.
I don't drink. I'm sober.
That's a lot. We're going to hang out, probably play some games. There's a pond up there that's frozen, so I will attempt to skate. We brought hockey sticks, hockey pucks, a mini net, and we have 2 dogs with us. We have Rona here, Ruger back there. We are on our way there. We have about an hour and 20 minutes left to go. Total is about 2 hour and 45 minute drive. We just stopped for some food. So yeah, that's what we got going, and we'll let you know when we get there.
Ding dong in now.
Ding dong.
Hi.
I think it was either.
Is it down now?
Well, I don't know.
I know you're the one that did it. I just let her eat it.
Well, yes, it's used it, so I'm gonna say he's.
Which player would be the best in bed? Person with the most votes. Collectively have to come. Aaron.
Yes!
Hell yeah, brother.
Drink if you're in a serious relationship. 1 drink for each year you've been dating your significant other.
Wait, nothing in that
Don't
way.
embarrass me.
How serious is this?
You have a house together, it's serious.
Dogs.
Yeah, 3 dogs in a house, I think you're pretty serious there.
How serious is this?
Oh yeah, eat that food. Oh yeah, eat that food. Oh yeah.
Why is this staring at me? Oh, I was just
We're on our way home. I was supposed to drive, but I got in the passenger seat. We woke up very late this morning.
Extremely dehydrated.
Very dehydrated, but got water. We're gonna go get food. Dogs are in the back. It's about 2.5 hour drive home, and then we're gonna do nothing all day. So we didn't get to go skating on the pond, which is the one thing I think Zach wanted to do the most.
True, not true.
We got the UTV stuck out in the snow, I think at least 4 times the whole time we were out there, so there was no way that we'd make it all the way out to the pond and be able to get back without getting stuck again. It just kept snowing and snowing and snowing all day Saturday, all night Friday, but it was fun.
I really want McDonald's right now. I'll take an order of 2 McDoubles, 4 McChickens, a large fry, a mozzarella stick, and a Hershey bar. So let me know when you're gonna deliver that.
Okay, so if anyone would like to Venmo me for his expensive order, please do that. It was fun. We had a good time with our friends, and Rona also wants to ride shotgun with me, so.